of three numbers. First of all, if A greater than B, very easiest method I am showing you. Then I'll tell you the same program by using the multiple if also. If A greater than B and A greater than C, when the C is or A is going to be greatest, when A will be greater than B and A will be greater than C. So see here I'm using logical operator. A greater than B, then this is the greatest number is A. Then only it will be the greatest. Then the second I will use second condition. When more than one condition is there, I will not use the if, else. So here I will use, once I will check A. If A is greater, then okay. If A is not greater, then I will check for the B. If B is greater than A, and means B must be greater than C also, then only B should be greatest. Then only B will be greatest. So here, write it quickly. The greatest number is B. Okay. If A is not greatest, B is not greatest, then finally C will be greatest. So in the else part, I can write. Or I can form the another condition also. Or we can say the invalid input. Like that. See, here I can do, wait. I show you that. System.out.println greatest number is, then C. Now, if the compiler will execute it, then it will check the first condition. If both the condition will be true in the if, okay, AND operator I have given, when A greater than B will true, then A greater than C will true, then this AND operator is going to return the true. When the AND operator, logical AND operator is going to return true when both the conditions are returning true, then it will be true. Then in this case, we will consider that A is greatest. Otherwise, we will check the same condition for the B. Or if first condition means A is not greatest, B is not greatest, then ultimately C is going to be greatest. See, let me compile it. Compile and now here I will give 12. A is greater. 1, 10 and 1. Now 12, 10, 1. So obviously A is greatest number. So it should display 12. 12. Now I'm giving you B. See that. Here I'm giving 10, 12 and 1. Now 12 is greater, means B is greatest. So it should display 12. 12. Now I'm giving the greatest number in the C. 1, 12, 15. So it should display 15. See that, 15. But now suppose here I'm giving 10, 10, 8. Now which is greatest? Obviously 10 must be greatest. Huh? 8 is greatest. Why? See, this type of the error is known as, it is not error, but my output is wrong. 10, 10, 8. So it is showing 8 is greatest. So my program is wrong or not? Yes. This is the logical error. Mention over there. This is the logical error now. See, it depends on the input. So what should I do? So I can make another condition also here. Else if I will check C. C greater than A, C greater than B. Then greatest number is C. Otherwise, else invalid input. Otherwise, it should show invalid input. See that. Okay. Compile, execute. Again, I'm going to give that 10, 10, 8. Invalid input. Because two numbers are equal, no? So it will give you invalid. But if I'm giving the C is the greatest, so it will give me 10, 12, 15. Now in every case, my program is correct. If any of the number are the same, then it will going to display me invalid input. Otherwise, it's going to display whatever number is going to be greatest.